Hello. Today we are going to see how to create a new project in Netbeans and turn it to a EXE file. Click on the Netbeans icon to open it. Here I see a question that says that the JDK17 doesn't exist. I'm going to click on Yes for loading the default version of JDK on my computer. Wait for it to get open. When opened, you can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button on the top left corner. In here choose Java with Ant and then Java Application. Click Next. Here you can choose the name of your project. Leave these two fields as default. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Click Finish. Wait for it to create your project. This might take a while. Here you can edit the coding. As you can see, there is no jFrame in the project. For creating the jFrame, you need to right-click on the package, and go to New, then click jFrame Form. In here you can set your jFrame name. Just leave these as default. And then click Finish. You can see your jFrame here. For the Hello World project, we need a button and a label. Just drag and drop them. You can adjust the size of the objects by dragging the square by the object. For editing the text, right-click on the object and then click Edit Text. For the button, do the same. For implanting the button listener, right-click on the button and then go to Events, Action, Action Performed. This code will run when the button is clicked. For writing a text on the label, write the following code. The text inside the quotation mark is the text that will be displayed in the label. Save your project by clicking the shortcut, Ctrl+S. And then run your project. If you have the same problem like me, go to your main class by clicking the tab on the top left corner. In here type the following code. But instead of the word frame, type the name of your jFrame. Then run it again. My project is now running. As you can see, when I clicked the button, the text showed on the label. To make an EXE file for this program, first you need to click on this button. Now the jar file is created. Open the Launch4j program. I will put the link to download in the description box below. In this field, you need to give your jar file location. For that, click on the Browse button. When you found your project folder, go in it. The jar file is located in the dist folder. Select the jar file and then click Open. The location of the jar file is now in this field. Click Browse in this field. Choose the location of the EXE file. Choose the name of your EXE file here. Make sure you put .exe at the end of the name. Click Save. If you have an icon for your program, write the location of your icon here. Here you can write the error title. Next, click the Version Info tab. Here check this checkbox. In this field, write the version of your program. Here type your description. Here type something like this. Make sure there is no gap and there is an @ sign in the middle of the word. In the product version, type the same text as the file version field. Type whatever you like in the product name field. In the internal name field, you can type anything. In the original file name field, copy and paste your EXE file name. Go to the Basic tab and copy this text. And paste it here. You can choose the language here. Now, click the gear icon. I suggest you to save this file inside your project. I will save this file inside the dist folder. Set the file name in this field. Click Save. As you can see, it says, "It's created successfully." You can close Launch 4J. Because I saved my EXE file in desktop, I should be able to see the EXE file here. When I double-click it, the program will be launched. When I click the button, the label shows the Hello World text.